Wood. Imported. Sturdy engineered wood 3-piece set, 1 kids table and 2 chairs. Great table set for kids 6 to 10. Perfect for homeschooling, meals, crafts, reading and more. Product dimensions: table, 24, W by 24 inches dx 23 h, chairs, 12 inches W by 12 inches dx 26 h, seat height, 13. Stylish finish coordinates with most furniture. Durable, easy to clean and to assemble. All hardware is included. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for older toddlers without compromising style. Very cute. Easy and quick to put together, took maybe 20 minutes using impact driver. Much taller than some kids' tables, so I would say it would be perfect for ages 2.5 plus, and my very tall almost 11-year-old can sit comfortably at it with his 2.5 years old brother.